Hello and welcome to Homes for Use Tenant Tips. Change the light bulb is the tenant's responsibility. Today there are a couple of different types of light bulb that I'm going to show you how to change. Step 1. Turn off the power and allow the bulb to cool before touching it. Step 2. Ensure you can safely reach the bulb. Use a step ladder if necessary. Step 3. Remove the bulb. There are two types of fitting: bed-end fitting and screw fitting. Both are removed the same way, by pushing it and turning anti-clockwise. Step 4. Fit the new bulb, checking that the wattage matches, and restore the power. For spotlights, remove the plastic coated metal ring if there is one. There should be two prongs on this ring if it is a certain type of halogen bulb. Squeeze them together and the ring will fall out. Fit a new bulb into the metal casing, reinsert into the ceiling and restore the power. Also, make sure to change the bulbs before leaving the property at the end of the tenancy period, as this could affect your deposit.